Kids Pandemic Learning. General knowledge questions and answers. Let's learn it. Largest bird in the world. Ostrich. Smallest bird in the world. Hummingbird. Tallest animal in the world. Giraffe. Largest desert in the world. Sahara in Africa. Largest continent in the world. Asia. Smallest continent in the world. Australia. Costliest city in the world. Tokyo. Biggest city in the world. Mount Isa, Australia. Tallest building in the world. Taipei 101, Taiwan. Simple calculation. Do not take your phone or calculator. Just try it. Calculate this number within 3 seconds. And the answer is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And the reverse, the number 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now take your calculator and calculate it. But without calculator, we can do it. This is easy method. Try with different multiplication done by number 1. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe to Kids Pandemic Learning videos.